hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet.
It's very
Like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
fresh and sweet.
This is my
Dream City, beautiful. And
lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained
to Karuizawa.
in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah.
Hello everyone, today I am going to Karuizawa. I'm now Tokyo Station.
It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
It's like 21. Never 21. I have to go 21 as well. Okay. This is my truck. Can you hear? It's my first time riding Narrowsensei. That is why we have to queue. They also have charge. Platform charging. This is nice seat. French choice. The way.
It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Hey, I got my free bags for 1 day. I will go to bus stop. I am waiting for the bags. First, I will go to this one, Shirotaki waterfall. Let's go.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm.
I am now heading to waterfall. Oh, there are a lot of people. Please check. Oh, this is waterfall. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. No, it's very beautiful. Check. You have to try this fish. It's really famous fish with salt. Yes, I want to try. Good, a bit salty but really sweet. Fresh and sweet. Okay. This omiyage. This is interesting. I will find the beer. But okay, a lot of different beers. I want to try this one. Okay. Nice beer. It's really cute. And drink.
Love, love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
This bed is really good, really cute.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of a drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah.
Wow, it's really cute. And you can see woman here and the mountain from here. Okay. I want to eat my breakfast at this table. I am now really hungry. I want to rent bicycle, but there is no bicycle in my hostel and I have to walk. And the view is good. I'm really hungry. Check the view. Oh. Breakfast tree is in here. Wow. What to eat? Can eat a lot of things. Okay, I will find some things. I'm order. This is really so good. Okay. Today the weather is a bit cool and I'm wearing like this. This is my breakfast and the view is like this. Wow, how beautiful.
Love, love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. peace in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord,
I have time
serenade
until
with each beat.
7 p.m. and then I decided to rent bicycle. I check in Google and there is like the whole day 1,000 yen bicycle rental place. I'm going there. Yes, I want to cycling today. Wow, the weather is really good. I found the bicycle rental place, but I think the price in internet is the old price is already like for 1 day 1,500 yen. That is okay. Oh, it's really cute. Ah, my bicycle. Okay, let's see this one and they already write where you cannot enter or something. Okay, let's go. This view is really amazing and beautiful. No.
Beat of the drum, my spirit's unchained.
It's really amazing.
In the symphony of love, I am unafraid. Yeah.
Finally, I'm arrived my first stop. This is Shirozawa Lake. Yes, let's go there. Like this, but I'm not sure I will enter or not. Oh no! I want to drink in here, but it's closed. Gallery Cafe. This one is the Museum Cafe. It's also really beautiful. Wow. I want to eat this so much. The tempura just arrived. I'm really hungry. I want to eat tempura fat. It's cute. The tempura. You have to with salt. Finally, I got everything. This tempura is soba. You have to put in here. And it's good. It's really beautiful. Okay. Check. Oh no. It's beautiful. Oh, look at the color. Everything is yellow. Wow. Beautiful. I'm really tired. A lot of people queue. I think it's a wedding. Wow. Interesting. Check a lot of people. Yes. I found some interesting. Yes. I'm now heading to Combo Palms. Combo. Yes, Combo Palms. Ah, it's really beautiful. Yes, me and Combo Palms. Beautiful. The design is really beautiful. Mori. This is small star and the sunset and the shopping mall. Yes.